So we decided to go for a bike ride, but come to get the bikes out and shock horror, not been used all winter. We have a very, very flat tyre to the point where it looks like it's coming off the rim. So I'm going to try the inflator that I got off TikTok shop to see if it actually works. Now this says it is, what does it say? Inflate to a minimum of 2 bar, 30 psi, max 4.5 bar. So I'll change the settings on here. You can see that at the minute it's on that. PSI. So what does it say? PSI? Go to 50. Let's go. Okay, I took that to 39, which to be fair is plenty in there. Worked really well. And a lot easier than a hand pump.